Good day, everyone. Hope you're doing awesome today. You're a beginner YouTuber. What do you need to start off making your own channel? Well, really good question, and I'm here to tell you you don't need much. You really don't. I started off with my phone. Actually, I started with a Samsung Galaxy S7. I also have an LG G5 here, and the video is amazing. So for video, you really don't have to go with a big, expensive DSLR camera. You don't need the best. You just need good quality. And if you're just starting out, your phone is probably going to be your best friend for this. Obviously, I'm not using my phone right now. I'm using my webcam, which is an HD Pro Logitech webcam, C920. That's what I'm using right now to talk to you guys. So you really don't need much for video. And as you start off with your phone, you can slowly upgrade whether you want to get a new, better phone, get a webcam, or you want to eventually get a awesome, expensive DSLR. That's awesome. Save up for it, that's fine, but don't let that stop you. Just use your phone for now. It's awesome. A phone goes everywhere with you. So you can be outdoors, you could be inside, you'd be running, walking, whatever you want. Your phone comes with you. You can get a stand for it at Walmart, no problem. That clips like that, and will be on a little tripod. They're like $15. There you go. You can definitely use your phone, or like I said, a webcam. There's benefits to a webcam. It's connected directly to the computer, so that way you don't have to transfer files. Whereas your phone, once you do the video, you're going to have to probably, if you're using a computer to edit, you're going to want to transfer your files to your computer, whether it's Bluetooth, wired, whatever. You can get video editing software for your phone. You can edit right on your phone too. But for now, yeah, those are your pros and cons. You can customize a bit more with your webcam. But actually, nowadays the phones are awesome. You can customize the exposure and frame rates and everything pretty much on your phone. So, those two things are your best bet. And my webcam was only about $120. So, compared to some of these DSLR cameras are thousands of dollars. So if you want to save yourself thousands of dollars, especially when you're just beginning and you're not even sure if you want to keep this up and be a YouTuber part-time, full-time, just for fun, start small. That's all right. Now, audio, that's a little bit more tricky. If you're close to your phone or close to the webcam, the sound will probably be okay, although you might have a big echo or whatnot. You're probably going to want some sort of mic. And there's different types of mics out there that you can use. One of them is a clip mic. And I got two of these for $15 on Amazon. So really wasn't much at all. And they just clip onto your shirt or whatever. And the other end goes into your phone or your computer or whatnot. So that's one thing. But it was cheap. And if you're knocking your shirt or your jacket or whatever a lot, it makes enough noise that you could hear that. So you don't want to be doing moving with this. This would be good just by sitting still, talking to a camera. The other thing that you can do is use headphones with the mic. I got one where I could just use it as headphones, or I could plug it in and I can use the actual mic on it. I used this for quite a while, especially doing voiceovers. This came in really handy. Love it. It's still part of what I do. And I highly recommend getting something like that. But what I have right now, and this is an upgrade that I obviously did, was I got a Blue Yeti mic. So hopefully it's not too noisy. But that's the mic that I'm using right now. And it works great. It, if I had more than one person in there, you could play with the switches to encompass more of the room, do an interview style or whatnot. But I only got that after about 2 years of me doing YouTube videos. For the most part, I used the headphones with the mic that comes with it and clips in. So as you see, you don't need a big setup or anything else. The other thing, if you don't want to use your phone, or if you're using a webcam in particular, is you're going to want video editing software compatibility compatibility for your videos. So you're going to want a computer or a laptop or something that will run your program. Now there's many different kinds of programs out there. I personally use Pinnacle Studio 18. It's an older version, but I have an older laptop, so the higher versions wouldn't work very good with it, and it would lag a lot. But there's also editing programs on your phone that you can download for free, whether it's Google or iTunes, whatnot. There's a lot of interesting apps out there that you can use. So those are your video and audio things that I believe are pretty good for you to start off for doing your YouTube channel. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If I could maybe try and go more in depth at a later point, but I just want to let you know that it doesn't take much to get started on YouTube. It really, really doesn't. So get started today. Let me know what you're using and how it's going. All right? Please remember to subscribe if you like this video and give it a like. Ring that bell notification so you get more videos like this. All right? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.